to get the contrast. Okay, so this you make it point means people understand, oh, this is red, these are the violet or this, but no. If any individual, if you say these are the colorless, but they add the dye to get the contrast. Okay, so if you see requirement of high flash point, generally in the latest OSA has changed told provide the guideline to the this world manufacturer. Now this flash point should be 93 degree centigrade or 200 degree Fahrenheit to permit it use open tank and relatively low evaporation rate for long time storage in open tank. Okay, however, there are some fundamental prerequisites that are necessary for the acceptable performance. So penetrant, what is the property of the penetrant? Penetrant must be capable of smoothly and evenly distributing itself over the surface of parts to be tested. It must be able to bend the surface of more common metal. Second, be capable of entering and filling the surface. Okay, so penetrant should be have this this property. Resist removal and remain in the discontinuity during removal of excess penetrant on the surface of the part. Be capable of existing from the discontinuity after excess surface penetrant has been removed. High visibility or contrast in a small quantity or thin film when viewed on the part surface. Not each corrode or otherwise degrade the part. Okay, and it should be non-toxic. It is very important for that property. It must be, this property should have the penetrant. Okay, what is the hazardous characteristic for the penetrant? So if we say safety is the concern because of the possible hazardous characteristic of each material used in compounding, penetrant, emulsifier and developer. These are the three parts in liquid penetrant testing. First is the penetrant, second is the emulsifier, and third is the developer. Federal law requires that manufacturer to identify and define the hazardous characteristic of each material used in its formulation. This information must be listed in the material safety data sheet prepared in accordance with 29 CFR 1910-1200. That is the material safety data sheet, and material safety data sheet will be whenever you go for the inspection for the liquid penetrant testing, whenever you are, if you are a technician, if you are a level 1, level 2 or whatever. Okay, so material safety data sheet is the very important page or paper which before going you have to read the material safety data sheet. So whatever is the manufacturer want to give us a instruction before use, so that we will understand the product, what is the property of that product, what is the flashability, what is the flammability, so that we will understand their property of that product. Okay, so these are the very important MSDS also. So during on that, MSDS is the one of the very important data sheet which provide the safety regulations. Corrosive property is the very important for the penetrant material, because if they have a corrosive property and we are going to use for the stainless steel or some another project which will impact our material property, it will degrade our material. So corrosive property also we need to verify, and then we must know about penetrant, emulsifier and developer must not react with the metal to cause pitting, etching, cracking or tarnishing. It is very important. So complicating this requirement is the fact that many of the parts tested by the penetrant